Okay, so the best tips that I would like to choose from the Get a Talk video is by believing in your ability to improve. Because by believing in your ability, it helps you to speak more confidently, especially when you want to improve yourself. And first, the reason why I choose this is when you trust what you already know, your experience, or another knowledge you already have. You just need to remain calm and take breath before answering. And improvising yourself isn't just saying it's using your knowledge and your past experience, even though there's a little bit mistakes, it's okay because it's new. And in conclusion, with practice and self-trust, you'll get better at showing your confidence.
How long